long hill climb, Nick. You'll be all right. Just make sure you're in first or second, preferably second. Oh, I don't know how your bike runs, but just, you know, kind of take the corner nice and easy and just roll it on, get traction, and then stay up over the tank.
A little.
If you need to, start side hilling this way, and then come back that way. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Zigzag it.
So you see this bush here, so you go up here, and then there's that bush that covers like where the rest of it is.
Yeah.
You can stop there, and like, so you can start first here, and you can just stop right there and go switch into second.
All right.
It's just kind of a flatter spot.
Hold on. I need some motherfucking juice up in this. Falling rocks. Why can't I fucking suck nothing out of this shit? No gay shit, papa. Fuck yeah!
Got it. Hey, you can side hill it out. Good job, dude. It's not as bad as you think, huh? You got
Nah.
traction. I'm telling you, buy a good tire, you got traction, you're fucking good.